More DeWalts. You got a screwdriver. This is a buy one get one free. 51 from 419. And we got the best 2 deals at the Lowe's. Don't forget to help out this channel by subscribing, hitting the like and the bell. Don't forget to follow us on TikTok, Instagram, and Facebook. Let's go ahead and get started. So $299 from $329. It's a power load, Eagle Power Load Line Q. So we got $179 for this 56 volt, 15-inch string trimmer with the 2.5 amp hour battery. $299 from $329 for the 765 CFM, so that's a lot of CFM on that one. 18-inch chainsaw bar, $19. It's on clearance. All the yellow tags are on clearance. Alright, on this one's another clearance one. It is an attachment, so it is capable $84 from $169. It's a pole saw attachment. So on this one, you buy the pole saw kit, and you get one of those multi-head system heads for free, valued at $269 for the pole saw you have to buy. You got the Husqvarna blower here. This is 765 CFM. That's $299. Check out this pressure washer. This one's $199. It is a 2100 PSI, 1.2 gallons per minute, electric. And check out this clearance. So this is a Furman generator. Usually, I do have to say, usually they put this out on Costco cheaper than this. So I would definitely wait for a sale on Costco if you have that membership, or if you know somebody that does, if you want a generator, because they're really good. Alright, so we got $28.47 on clearance. $10.77 down from $11.98. These are 6.5. These are smaller ones. They do have 7.25. They're just down the line there. You got a string trimmer. This is a weed eater, weed whacker, however you want to call it. $62 up from $139. It is a brushed 20 volts. Check out this portable cooler, evaporative cooler for the shop. Really nice. Of course, if you guys are like sealed, I would definitely suggest you guys go with the AC instead of a cooler. But if you guys are on open area, then you don't have nothing else but a cooler. So this is a good item for that. It's on clearance, half price. The Metabo, the compressors are all on clearance. You got $8.39 down from $13.99, and then you got this 4-gallon twin stack, $2.51 down from $4.19. This is from the DeWalt's. So a lot of those are on clearance. We got good deals on these. Impact driver, Ordro driver. They do come with power stack battery and a regular battery. Charge in a case for $169. That's actually pretty good. Or you can get both for $269. As you guys do see there. Or you can get the 4-tool combo kit. Not bad at all. That is the Impact driver XR. They are top of the line. Alright, $229 for the 8 amp hour battery. You guys know that is the newer battery. The one that's lighter gray. So $349 for the hammer drill, circular saw, reciprocating saw, or angle grinder. Those are all power detect tools, and they do come with that 8 amp hour battery. Yeah, according to DeWalt, they do have a little bit more power than just the regular 8 amp hour battery. So we got the buy one get one free. So you buy any of the tools, get a free battery. This is a power stack battery, and all the tools that are on the right. There's a lot of tools to choose from. I'm not gonna go over all of them, but the miter saw, the tower light, and that is the battery you're gonna get for free. So those are the tools right there. You got the reciprocating saw, the tower light there that I said. Alright, some more DeWalt's. You got a bucket organizer. I really like these. Very, very nice, convenient. $22.98, very inexpensive as well. So $44.95 for these knee pads. However, if you guys are buying knee pads, make sure you guys actually try them at the store. I mean, you have to knee on it. Because sometimes they might, not feel very comfortable. So my suggestion is at the store, make sure you guys try them on. Actually kneel on the store. Alright, so $19.98 for these oscillating blades. You got different ones. This one's a wood and metal, I believe, and then this one's a 2-piece 10-inch Miter saw blade. You got 54 and 64 for the 12-inch. Reciprocating saw blades are $24.98. These are not bad. Buy one get one free for the tools. So you buy any get a free tool when you buy the starter kit or the 8 amp hour battery. So that is the older. I don't know why they have the older one there. It might be the newer one, but I think it's the older one. Yeah, definitely. All right, some Bosch get one, buy one get one free. So you got $99 for this one. It says your choice for $149. They do come with a starter kit, and then you got the oscillating tool kit, and then the buy one get one free are on the top here. So you buy select tool, get a free starter kit. So that is a 4 amp hour battery, and all those tools are available for this hack. Or well, actually, it's not a hack. It's just a buy one get one free. All right, so these are now some nice bits. I do prefer these bits. These bits have been nothing but good quality, so definitely check those out. Got a 4-tool combo kit here on clearance. You got a circular saw, impact driver, drill driver, $249, and a light, of course, down from $349. This one's on clearance. This is the fan. This is $89, down from $119. Bare tool, and then you got the vacuum, $159. It just catch my attention. I usually don't see these. So wet and dry vacuum, $159. All right. Some more on clearance. These are on clearance. I'm not going to go over all of them because there's a few of them. Actually, there's a lot of them. I don't know what they're doing, if they're phasing these out or they're putting new tools in. But they're all on clearance. They're around the same price. And they're solid tools for the DIY. You got the grinder. This is the bare tool grinder, $160. It is the XR. It is DeWalt. So this one's on clearance as well. Very surprised. Might be because of the older battery. So $230 down from $329. That's actually not bad, especially with that 8 amp hour battery. All right, you got a 4-tool combo kit here with 2 batteries. A reciprocating saw, impact driver, drill driver, $279 with the front down to $379. You got this is a screwdriver. This is an electric screwdriver. If you guys never seen this before, it is a battery powered. It is a 8-bolt screwdriver, $62 down from $89. That's actually not bad. You got the extreme. So this is the 12 volts, $125 down from $179 for the ratchet. It's on clearance. All right, so buy one get one free. You buy a tool and get a free starter kit. Got the radio, the fan, oscillating tool, the ratchet, reciprocating saw, jigsaw, the job site blower. All right, this one's on clearance, $59 down from $139. This is a circular saw, bare tool. That is the section that they had there. The oscillating blades, they did not have them, just regular price. $118 for this Dremel, was $139. You got this one, $84 down from $99. 39-piece rotary kit. And then you got, this is $11 down from $12.98. So just random blades and stuff. This was used. It was a customer return, $25. It's a battery and a charger. So not too bad. Smaller battery. All right, so this one's on clearance. This is the drill driver, or the drill driver RP, $97. That's actually not bad. Those are all brushless tools, including this impact driver for $69.32. So definitely check it out. This one's just bare tool though. And then this one's on clearance polisher for $34. Guys, I do not recommend this one. I have the Joby equivalent of this. This thing is not good. It's completely trash unless you used it before. All right, so buy one get one free. You buy any of the tools on the left, you get a free starter kit. Definitely select the oscillating tool, the angle grinder, the impact wrench, pretty good. The router. All right, so this one's a table saw. It's on pretty much on sale, down to $199 from $229. Same thing with this miter saw, 15 amp miter saw. Not bad at all. 15 amp single bevel. And you got a nice stop there on the base. It does pretty smooth. Does have a stop there at 0 degree. Yeah, very smooth. So just bare bones, but still pretty good. Pretty good quality. All right, talking about quality, these are really nice. $23 from $39.98. This is almost half price. Yeah, this is a good quality screwdriver set. So definitely check this one out. Same thing with this, was pretty good at $61 and for 64. They had all sorts of little cubbies and pockets, pouches and stuff on the bottom. I'm not gonna go over all of them, but yeah, they had all sorts of accessories. $31 from 39 for this light. It does have rechargeable light or rechargeable battery. Got a headlamp, $11 and from 14. And you got the extra or the batteries there. And you got the Energizer brand. This one's 19 down from $24.98. It's a headlamp. Got the Lux Pro, $19 off from 24. So there's a few of these. The whole wall was actually about 50% of them were on clearance. This one's 35 down from 44. And that's it, guys. Yes, that's it for today. Don't forget to help out this channel by subscribing, hitting the like and the bell. Don't forget to follow us on TikTok, Instagram, and Facebook. That really does help out the channel. And we'll see you guys in the next one. Thank you for watching.